Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be doing a one-week check-in on October Paycheck 2 as well as stuffing week 2 of our paycheck. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. For our paycheck from October the 13th through October the 26th. In week 1, our chiropractor payment for $194.08 came out. YouTube TV for $83.88 came out. Our homeowner's warranty for $50.64 came out. Our meds for $40 came out. And Amazon Prime for $16.19 came out. That came up to a total of $384.79, leaving us a balance of $1,145.26, which will be rolled over to week 2. In week 1, we spent $125 in groceries, $90 in gas, $15 in personal, and $15 in lunch. That came up to $245, which leaves us a difference of $365, which will be rolled over to week 2. In our income versus our expenses, in week 2, we had an income of $2,280.05, minus the expenses of $384.79, minus the cash envelopes of $245, and minus the sinking funds of $100, which left a balance of $1,550.26, which will be rolled over to week 2. So fam, as you can tell, we didn't have that many bills come out in week 1. However, they should come out in week 2. But that is all for this portion of the video. So let's move on to our cash stuffing portion. So we're going to see what we saved. And in household, we saved $10. In miscellaneous, we also saved $10. I saved $15 in my lunch. And I also saved $15 in my personal. So that gives us $10, $20, $30, $40, $45, $50 that we saved. And let's see what we're going to be stuffing this week. So it gives us 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, $130 is what we're going to be stuffing this week. And we're going to start with our cash envelopes. Household is going to get $10. Miscellaneous is also going to get $10. Lunch is going to get $15. And my personal is also going to get $15. So I'm going to put my envelopes to the side. My husband is going to get $15 for his lunch and $15 for his personal. So that gives him $10, $20, $25, $30, which I will put to the side until I'm ready to give it to him. And we're going to start with our cash envelopes. And in our sinking funds, of course, Beauty is going to get the $30 that I saved. 10, 20, 25, 30. So it gives me 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, $90 in Beauty, and I will be getting my nails done this morning. My mom is paying to get my feet done because she's getting hers done. She's going on a cruise. So that leaves us with $20. And we're going to put 15 of that. I'm going to take this 20 and take a 5 out. 15 is going into backup. It's time for me to do a cash unstuffing. So it gives us 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 8, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1,000. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. $1,190 in our backup funds. And that is all for this binder. And the last binder I'm going to put something in is going to be my savings binder. And I'm going to put the $5 in Christmas. Christmas is coming up soon, guys. These months are going by real fast. So I'm trying to save up and have enough to get some gifts. That gives us 1, 2, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 5, 10, 15, 17, 19. $319 in Christmas. And that is all for this binder. So fam, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it and it would help my channel. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. Also, if you are a new family member, please leave a comment below so I can go check out your channel if you have one and support you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.